Hey, it's Jay here with another quick tip, and today we're going to talk about how to crack your vertebrae in your mid back as opposed to the low back or the upper back. But the mid is really hard to do with just stretching or twisting, so I found out this new technique just actually a little while ago. So what I did is I got myself in between this door frame right here, got myself blankets. I fold the blanket up so I have some nice cushioning, and I just put that right behind my back to protect my back from the door jamb here. So this will press into your spine, and that kind of sucks. So blanket right behind you, just like that. And then push straight forward on the opposing side of the door jamb here. So push forward, breathing in, and breathing out, and breathing in again. And try a series of breathing while you're pushing straight out. And you can lower your hand position or raise your hand position while breathing, and eventually you're going to get some pops. Also too, another thing that I do is to work on the upper back is, so we're going to go into my photo studio here. What I do is, let me get this set up on this light stand here. So I've got a stool right there, and what I like to do is I take the stool, well, I lay backwards on it. So if I lay backwards on the stool on my mid back, I just let my arms go out wide, and the muscles will eventually relax. You kind of have to lay here for maybe anywhere as little as 5 seconds to maybe 30 seconds or so, and then feel free to change your position, sliding down so that the stool goes up your back. And then raise your pelvis higher, and then let it go down lower. And when it goes down lower and the muscles relax, eventually you'll get some pops. And then for some added torque, you can grab the stool behind you like you're gonna do a crunch, and then just pull back, pulling like you're gonna do a crunch this way. So pull that way, and then let your hips down. And then that will pop your upper back. So that's been the quick tip for today. If you like the videos that I make, or if even just this one, maybe you're not familiar with anything else that I do, what I like to do is try to make some quick tip, helpful videos. Just subscribe, and then, or at least just like this video. It'd be really helpful for other people to see this video. So without likes, the algorithm is not going to continue putting these type of videos in other people's feeds. So pretty please like the video. Feel free to comment and share any of your tips and quick tips below. Again, my name's Jay. Have a good day.